So I got into math pretty early when I was in middle school, I think. And that was mostly just because I had a great teacher, Gary Pounder at Washington Middle School, who I think has influenced many of the math majors here. And so I've been into that for a while, mostly just because of the animal pleasure I get out of solving math problems. But when I was a sophomore at the university, when I was 16 years old, I heard about this university in Moscow called the Independent University, which gives American and Canadian students the chance to spend a semester in Moscow and study math, the Slavic way, the Russian way, which is very different than the French or American school of math, which is sort of a whole other topic. But I was 16 and I was sort of looking for an adventure, so I decided to learn Russian and go to Moscow and study math there. And so I did that, and I spent 4 months there. And when I came back to the university, sort of by virtue of momentum, I just kept studying Russian, and I found out that I really liked Russian literature. And all sorts of stuff, the classics and then modern stuff and even post-Soviet stuff. And I think that the reason for that was not actually anything about the Russian language or maybe even about Russian literature, but just because I had never been exposed to really great literature before.